In this simulation, we are going to see the alveoli in the lungs of someone who is resting, and we are going to investigate the level of gases in the alveoli and capillary. Just a quick reminder of what an alveolus is. Well, alveolus, it is the singular word of alveoli. Alveolus, it is an air sac that is present in the lungs, which allows rapid gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases. So notice what happens to the size of each alveolus as the person breathes in and then out. So as the person breathes in, the alveolus inflates and deflates when the person exhales. And what are these pink lines that are surrounding the alveoli? Well, they are blood capillaries. And let us have a look inside the alveoli, or the alveolus. What do you see? Well, I see round cells that are circulating inside the blood capillary, and these cells are red blood cells. So now let us explore the level of the oxygen gas in the alveolus and the blood capillary. Now, as you can see here that we have 2 points. Point A, where the capillary first touches the alveolus, and point B, where the blood capillary last touches the alveolus. So let us now investigate the level of oxygen gas in the alveolus. As you can see that the oxygen gas has the orange color, and now we are going to observe the level of oxygen molecules inside the alveolus. And let us see the amount of oxygen molecules as well inside the blood capillary. So how does the number of oxygen molecules in red blood cells change as the blood flows around the alveolus between points A and B? As you can see that when the red blood cells first enter at point A, the number of oxygen molecules is much less than those leaving at point B. So what does that mean? Here's a hint. The level of oxygen molecules entering the alveolus is much higher than the level of oxygen molecules that is present in the blood capillary at point A, which means that a concentration gradient is created of oxygen. In other words, the oxygen molecules, once they enter into the alveolus, they are going to diffuse into the blood capillary in such a way that the red blood cells are going to carry the oxygen molecules into different body cells. So we can say that the oxygen gas diffuses from the alveolus into the blood capillary. Is it the same in carbon dioxide gas? Let's find out. So the carbon dioxide has the blue color. As you can see that the carbon dioxide molecules are present in larger amount in the blood entering at point A than that present in the alveolus. So the carbon dioxide is found in large quantities in the blood capillaries than that in the alveolus, which means that the carbon dioxide molecules are going to diffuse from the blood capillary into the alveolus. And as you can see that the gas passes through 2 barriers. The first barrier is the alveolus wall, and the second barrier is the capillary wall. And each wall is 1 cell thick. Why do you think it is 1 cell thick only? Well, it is 1 cell thick in order to facilitate or make it easier for the gases to be exchanged between the air that is entering the alveolus and that of the blood.